Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and in this lecture we are going to learn how to express age in Russian. The construction for expressing age in Russian is different than it is in English. In English, we say, I am X number of years old. In Russian, we say, to me is X number of years. For example, мне 20 лет. I am 20, but literally, to me is 20 summers. So the person whose age we are expressing is in the dative case. Мне 20 лет. To me, dative case, are 20 summers. And why do I keep talking about summers? Well, because the word year has special forms for counting, and we will learn more about counting later in the chapter. But the word year has special forms for counting, where if you have one or any word ending in one, like 21, 31, so on and so forth, we say год, which means year. For example, мне 21 год. I am 21. And then we use the genitive singular form года for 2 through 4. So мне 22 года. Literally, to me are 22 years. But when we use a number ending in 5 through 10, and this includes all the teens, we are going to use the form лет, which is the genitive plural of the word for summer. So we can say, for example, мне 18 лет. I'm 18 years old, but literally, to me are 18 summers. So год for 1, года for 2 through 4, and лет for 5 through 10. In this lecture, we are just going to learn the dative form of pronouns. We are not going to learn the dative of nouns until later. So at this point, you can only talk about the age of someone using pronouns like I, you, he, she, and so on and so forth. And here on this last slide of the PowerPoint, we have the dative form of the pronouns. So что goes to чему, and this mu ending is a sign of the dative, as you will discover when we learn all the dative endings. But this mu ending is a marker of the dative. Кто becomes кому, я becomes мне, ты тебе, он or оно becomes ему without a preposition, or нему with a preposition. Она becomes ей without a preposition, or ней with a preposition. Мы becomes нам, вы becomes вам, and они becomes им without a preposition, or ним with a preposition. So there you have it. That is the basic formula for expressing age. At the moment, you should probably just concentrate on talking about your own age. And as you get more comfortable with the dative and learn more of the dative endings, you can start talking about other people's ages as well.